Alright guys, now we're going to talk about how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So I use a software called Paint.net. I'll leave a link where you can download this software completely free. So once you have Paint.net open, this will be the default screen. We're going to want to change the image size, and to do this we just click Image, Canvas Size, and then we can change it to 1280 by 720. This is the default size for all YouTube thumbnails, and then you can just click OK. And then I recommend zooming out a little bit so you can see what the thumbnail will look like on the actual YouTube page, because the thumbnail is usually going to be pretty small, so you can just make it about that size. And then, since this video that we're uploading is about YouTuber conspiracy theories, we can go to Google and find an image, and then we can simply paste it in here, just clicking this button at the top, and then you can paste it in, like just of a popular YouTuber or something. And you don't want to lie with your thumbnails, but you just want them to be shocking so people click it. And then I recommend upping the brightness a little bit, so just going Adjustments, Brightness, Contrast, upping that a little bit so it's kind of more appealing for people to click so they can see exactly what's going on. And then maybe upping the saturation a bit as well. So as you can see, that makes it a little bit more appealing to click on. And then you can also add a red arrow right here using the shapes. Red arrows are a really good way to get people to want to click your videos. And then you can just point it at them right there, just like that. Now, if we really want to get people to click this, another thing we can do is put the arrow to his cheek right there. And then we can put a tear on his chin. Then, as you can see, we can put a tear right there. And then we can put a blue on it, so it actually looks like one, a dark blue like that. And then, see, it looks really unrealistic. So you can see if we zoom out, it looks more realistic. And you just want to make people want to click. Now, the goal here isn't to deceive people. We just want to make them want to click so they watch our video. And then to save the thumbnail, you just go File, Save As. And then I recommend saving it as a .jpg, a JPEG file, because that's what YouTube recommends. And then you just click OK and then flatten. And then your new custom thumbnail will be saved. Alright guys, now we're going to go over the secret to how to use other people's tags, how to find them, and then put them on your own videos. And to do this, we can just search for a similar video to the one that we're uploading. And in our case, it is YouTuber conspiracy theories. And then we can just find a video with a lot of views. You might not want to use videos with people from 4 million subscribers, like this person right here, or this person with 18 million subscribers, because these people don't have to try that hard to actually get views on their videos, and this is because they're already going to rank because they have so many subscribers. So what you're going to want to do is find people with not many subscribers who are getting a lot of views on their videos. So you might want to sort by view count again to find the videos with the most views, and then look for people that don't have many subscribers. And the plugin I'm using is called vidIQ to see how many subscribers that someone has right there. And I highly recommend this. I'll leave a link to where you can download vidIQ as well. So once you find a channel, you can just click their video right. And then again, using that Social Blade plugin that I was talking about, you can actually copy the tags just with a simple click right here. So you just click that, and then the tags are copied onto your clipboard. And then going over to your video page, you can just paste the tags right in there. Now, you're not going to want to use the same tags as everybody else. And you don't want to make it deceiving either, because if they don't talk about a specific YouTuber, let's say they don't talk about this Marina Joyce, whoever this is, you can just click the X on it, and then you can delete those tags. So that is the secret to finding other people's tags and putting them on your videos. Alright guys, now I'm going to talk about how to find good titles and tags for your videos. And there's a couple different ways to do this, so we have our video uploading right here. If we go over here to a new tab and we just start searching things. So for example, our video is about YouTuber conspiracy theories, so if we just start searching YouTuber and then conspiracy, we can see the word theories is very searched for, so we're going to want to definitely put that in the title, that string of words. But this goes for absolutely anything, so let's say if we're making a video like how to make money on YouTube, we can just search how to make money, and as you can see, on YouTube is right down there, and online is another really big one. So you'll want to make videos, let's say if you're making a channel about how to make money, make videos on each of these different things, and these are all really good title and tags ideas. So that's one way to find different tags and titles to use for your videos. Now, another way to find tags is using a plugin called TubeBuddy. I'll leave a link where you can add that to Chrome. So once you have TubeBuddy installed on Chrome, you can just search all your possible tags within YouTube, and then hit this little button on the side that says Search Explorer. And as you can see, it'll show you the amount of competition a tag has and the search volume. So as you can see, there's a really big search volume, but there is also a really big competition for this particular tag. So we can search for variables of this. So if we search FouseyTube conspiracy theory, as you can see, now it says good, because there's hardly any competition for it. So you're going to want to keep doing this until you find tags that say very good, and you'll want to incorporate this into your titles as well. Alright guys, so here's an example of a very good tag. So this is kind of within my niche, like how to make money on YouTube and everything. So this tag is how to make money on YouTube without making videos 2018. As you can see, it says very good, because there's a decent amount of search volume and hardly any competition for this tag. So that means that it would be relatively easy to rank for this and start getting views on your videos. So those are some of my top ways to do keyword research and to find the best titles and tags for your videos. So now guys, I'm just going to go through some examples of some really good clickbait that just really makes you want to click the video, and basically just give you guys some ideas so you can start implementing these in your own videos and start getting more views. So as you can see, here's a really good example that really makes you want to click. I've noticed a lot of people doing this, like putting an X over one side of the screen and then putting the other half side of the screen and putting like a green check mark. And the more shocking you can make this, the better. Now, I don't know anything about Fortnite, so I don't really understand this thumbnail, but as you can see, it's got a lot of views. But I'm going to show you a channel that does a really good example of this. It's called Brightside. So if we go to their channel right here, here's a really good example of using clickbait. It says a complete guide to survive any dangerous situation, and it shows like what most people do, like putting ice on a wound or something. Like that's just common knowledge what you would do. But then it shows with a little green check mark, and it shows something else on the guy's leg, but you don't know what it is. See how it's like kind of cut out so they don't know what it is? It just makes you want to click. As you can see, that video got almost 200,000 views in just 2 days. And then again, you can just sort by most popular videos to find their most popular videos and see what kind of clickbait they're using to get views on that. And this one says 13 tips on how to survive wild animal attacks, and it shows the person swimming away, and it puts like an X. And then it puts like a green check mark when it shows the person staying there. It really makes you want to click. And this video got 57 million views in just 11 months. And here's another video. If you see this, run fast and ask for help. And it's literally just an arrow pointing to something that looks like a wig or something, some kind of slug. And just videos like that are really good. And especially for conspiracy videos, you put a little text on it saying they lied to us and the truth about the Titanic revealed. And as you see, it's sinking right there. And then health videos are really good too. It's see how it shows before and after, and then it shows like arrows. And another really good niche that takes advantage of clickbait is videos with like caught on tape in them. As you can see, amazing people with superpowers caught on tape, made by that Top 5's Finest channel we were talking about. As you can see, it's someone like walking on water or something. They put a red circle. Red circles and red arrows are really used in clickbait, and they really work. So you can find like caught on tape videos. This one has 5 million views. As you can see, there's like an arrow in the thumbnail. And like if you like add ghosts into the thumbnail too, like this, so you see like 3 ghosts, 5 scary things caught on camera in tunnels, and there's like a red circle over it. Like things like that work really good. And to get ideas, you can just search these things and then go over them and find channels that are doing it and subscribe to them, so you can see and get ideas of what to use with your own channel. So you really just want to grab people's attention and make them want to click the video. So those were some of the examples of some of the best clickbait that I've seen, and hopefully it'll give you guys some ideas on how you can start optimizing your videos. Alright guys, now we're going to talk about how to optimize your YouTube descriptions to start getting more views on your videos. So when you're writing a description, there's a couple things you should really keep in mind. And the first is including tags within your description. Now I see a lot of people who simply just like copy their tags and put them into their description like in a list. And this is totally against YouTube's terms of service, and you can get banned by doing this. I highly recommend you do not do that. But there's a different way to include tags within your description. So as you can see, our top tag right here is YouTuber Conspiracy Theories, and to include this in the description, we simply write the description and include the tags in it as we're typing it. So what we're looking to do is include as many of these tags as possible within our description. So I'm going to write an example description here. So we're going to want to use this conspiracy theory tag. So we go from a conspiracy theory regarding, and then we find one of these people, like this one, Ty Lopez, to a, and then let's say we had the keyword scary in there, and then we just add to a scary conspiracy about, and then we include another name, so let's say this Tana Montague person, and then we just put a comma, and then we put, we take a look at 6 scary YouTuber conspiracy theories. And then as you can see, we included that tag right at the top, the YouTuber conspiracy theory tag, and that is how to write a good description. And you're going to want to make your description as long as possible, so keep writing things and make it as long as possible, and include as many tags as possible. So that is how to optimize your YouTube descriptions. Alright guys, now we're going to talk about a couple tricks you can use to increase your subscribers and watch time, and one of those is by using playlists. So to create a playlist, we can go to our video manager and then go to playlist, and then just click create new playlist. So let's say one of our categories is going to be about YouTuber conspiracy theories. So we just create that playlist right there. And then we can just click edit playlist and add all of our videos to that playlist. Go to your YouTube videos, select all your YouTube videos that go with it. And then I recommend writing a quick description about the playlist. And then whenever you share a video, I recommend sharing it within that playlist. So let's say we wanted to share this this video right here. And I'll tell you why we do this in just a second. But what you do is you just copy the link, copy this huge long link that has it within the playlist. And then I recommend shortening the URL so it's easier to use. And then there you go, you got your shortened URL, you can copy it. And then go back, and then let's say we were adding this to the description of another video. So I'm just going to go to the description of this video and click edit. So let's say we were sharing another video and we put check out this video of more conspiracies. And then we just put this shortened link beneath it. And the reason we do this is because when they go to your playlist and they go to watch this video within a playlist, then it will automatically recommend the next video. So then they keep watching these videos all in a row. And this will help increase your watch time. So another way of increasing your watch time is to add end screens. And you can do this by clicking add end screens and annotations. And then for the last 20 seconds of your video, I recommend adding a video or playlist and putting best for viewer. And this will allow YouTube's algorithm to find the best video for your viewer, for the person who's watching. And it will optimize a video from your channel for them. So then just click create element. And then you can just put this like on the top left right here at the end of the video. And then add another element saying subscribe. And then this will just be like a little logo for your channel, and you can put that in the other corner. And then they can click this, click subscribe. They can click this to watch another video. You just click save to save that. So there you go, guys. That's how you add end screens to increase your subscribers and watch time, because they'll just keep watching videos. And then you can add cards as well, which are basically end screens, but you can put them anywhere in the video, and they appear like in the top right. So to add a card, you just click add card, video, or playlist. I recommend adding your most popular videos as cards on your videos, because your most popular videos are your most popular for a reason. People watch them because they are very good at getting views and keeping watch time. So I recommend putting those as cards on your new videos. So this is just an example channel I have. These are just random videos, but I'm just going to click that. And then you can put this anywhere you want through the video. And as you can see, it'll pop up right on the right-hand side, and they can click this and then just keep watching it. So another way of increasing engagement and therefore watch time is to go to the videos page right here that we just uploaded, because see, this is just an example channel. I just put new channel really quick. But we just put a comment saying, what do you guys think about these? And put some question marks in there, click comment. And then you can actually pin the comment just by clicking these three dots and then clicking pin. And then this will put the comment at the very top, and this will increase engagement because people will see this and then they'll want to comment, and then comments help you rank, and then therefore you get more views. And also you can make this say, please subscribe to my channel, because then people will see that and they'll go, oh, okay, and then they subscribe to your channel. So those are some very simple ways to increase your watch time and get more subscribers on your YouTube channel.